From the early days of marine insurance, at Edward Lloyd's Coffee House, insurance has come a long way. The purpose of insurance is to cover the assets, property, life, or anything we value against willful or unwillful acts of God. Surprisingly, two major touchpoints, buying insurance and claim settlement, is still the same it was ages ago, which is manual, cumbersome, and time consuming. I did a recent survey with 37 respondents to understand travel insurance across these touchpoints. 88% of the respondents have experienced flight delays, whereas nearly 50% have faced cancellations or loss of baggage. Only 40% of people, 14 people out of 37, buy travel insurance while traveling, which is a huge opportunity area. Almost all people who choose to buy travel insurance prefer to book it along their flight ticket from the same travel portal. Out of these 14 people who choose to buy travel insurance, 10 people were not aware of policy coverages or exclusions, and that is why majority of them did not bother to file a claim. 92% of respondents feel the need for automation and immediate claim settlement in comparison to the current process. This survey gives two major insights. People don't trust insurance companies, as only 40% people bought insurance, and claim settlement process is too complicated, cumbersome, and requires overall restructuring. To reduce this trust gap, I propose companies to use blockchain ledgers for KYC. But what is blockchain? According to research by PwC, 56% of firms recognized importance of blockchain, but 57% conceded they did not yet know how to respond. To understand blockchain, let us take an example of purchasing a house. The records of this are currently stored in a ledger which looks like this. But this ledger can easily be tampered. A record can be removed and can be replaced with a new record, as these ledgers are stored in a central system of title companies and 40% of them have errors in it. Blockchain ledger is an epic upgrade. Every record has a unique key which is time stamped by a trusted party. Blockchain exists in communities or connected chain which has exact copy of the ledger. If somebody happens to interfere with one of the ledgers, a consensus algorithm replaces tampered ledger with the correct copy. This will solve the major issue of trust gap. The KYC once done and saved as a record on a blockchain which is untamperable can be used across insurance incumbent players. A person need not fill the proposal form again when buying another insurance product in future or when shifting from his existing insurance company to any other company, as same data can be used across insurance industry. This can help resolve this trust gap which exists across financial sector. For the second insight, I propose automation of claim settlement for travel and microinsurance policies by the help of smart contracts. Smart contract is an application of blockchain. They are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between the buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. The code and the agreement contained therein exist across a distributed, decentralized blockchain network. With the help of smart contract, a claim settlement can be automated with predefined parameters of flight delay or baggage loss. Once these parameters are triggered, the code of smart contract directly pays claim to the customer within a couple of hours. The payment can be initiated to the same instrument of payment used to purchase the policy. Already AXA's Freezy Travel Insurance has automated claim settlement with the help of smart contracts, which is instant payment if there is any flight delay. This will save people the trouble of calling customer care, filling up a claim form, waiting for approval, and final disbursement, which can take 20 to 30 days in total, to just a couple of hours. My third proposal is potential of new business of insurance of connected devices. By 2020, there will be 26 billion connected devices, which is 4 times the world population, and at the same time, the connected home market will be worth $149 billion. In future, we will have smart homes where every device from fridge to microwave, washing machine, television, basically all electric devices will be connected to the internet. Here, insurance players have a huge opportunity to tie up with manufacturers to bundle insurance price during the purchase of these devices. These policies can be pre-underwritten for each device, and claim settlement can be automated with smart contracts. Claims can be triggered almost instantly with the help of smart sensors once any defect, damage, or theft is detected. I presented this proposal to one of the insurance consultant who has worked with Tata AIG General in the past and collected his feedback and views on the same. I need your feedback on the proposed process over the current process which I have suggested.
See, what I feel like in like growing technology environment today, blockchain has like many applications. Like Ethereum has providing smart contracts which can be used in the financial sector, I believe, and this is going to save a lot of, I would say, around 20 to 30% of administrative costs.
Second proposal is on parametric insurance, that is smart contracts like AXA has Fizzy for travel insurance. What are your thoughts on that?
Yes, even I'm truly excited about these upcoming, new insurance policies. I believe it is the future of the insurance, and the how blockchain and insurance are getting, clubbed together and giving a seamless experiences for the customer to get the claims on time.
Okay.
Insurance companies can come up with better and better insurance products with this technology.
Our industry experts seemed excited on my proposed proposal, but I feel that industry faces a lot of implementation challenges. With digital technologies like blockchain in conjunction with Internet of Things, the insurance sector is bound to revamp. But it is both a threat and an opportunity as both these technologies are disrupting all sectors. A smart home can automatically trigger a fire alarm and send a message to the nearest fire station, or owner can be alerted through an app. But all this connectivity would require a single protocol or language, a common platform between stove, internet router, app, smartphone, etc. This is one of the main challenges for those working in the field of connected devices. With regards to blockchain, it requires collaboration across all insurance incumbent players to frame a regulatory space for all insurance companies to operate. This is one of the biggest challenges as a lot of companies have limited knowledge and understanding of blockchain. Blockchain consortium like B3I are steps in the right direction. B3I stands for Blockchain Insurance Industry Initiative. It is a collaboration of insurers and reinsurers formed to explore the potential of using distributed ledger technologies within the industry for the benefit of all stakeholders in the value chain. They are working on exploring potential of blockchain use cases and are building industry-wide blockchain protocols. The future is bright for companies who are informed and are not afraid to take steps in the right direction. These technologies are disrupting banking, real estate, supply chain, legal, and obviously insurance. The company should start looking at use cases which best fits them and start taking steps to embrace the new digital world.